Hello everyone, I hope you're okay. Let's start our analysis for gold starting from tomorrow, 6th of June, 2025. It's end of month as well. Let's start with the Forex factory. We have some heavy impact news at 1:30 UK time. All our times are UK times. Uh, so these are important. Average hourly earnings that's month, and non-farm employment change and unemployment rate. So these are the news. So if you want to, always there is information here. I think the means monthly. So uh, change the price of business pay for the labor, excluding the farming industry. Actual greater than forecast is good for currency. Release monthly using on the first Friday after the month ends. After the month ends. So the previous month has ended. So next will be July the 3rd. Okay, so it's monthly news. So you can always see more details if you want to for each news. Okay, now we have CAD news as well, but that may not affect much the gold prices. Normally we're interested in USD news, especially heavy impact and medium impact. So let's go on to uh, chart and starting with weekly. Currently, what the situation is, the market is still open, and previously market closed around one of the previous weeks. The highest closer was 3360, and currently market is around that price almost. Although it broke the not the last week, the week before high, but depends it sustains the break tomorrow or not. So let's see what's going to happen. And going on to daily, there we are seeing that market is bullish, and what you can see here is more buying. So it's possible this level is broken at some time, but depends when. There's a big question, and we need to work on that and take the decisions according to that. And also, if you look on the 4-hour chart, see what's happening here. Prices are moving in a trend like this. So if I put a line here, that may be more clear. And if this price come up to here, then we have this level here. So currently we can see the bearish movement in 4 hour. However, although it's bullish, but I would say it's a retracement as or correction, whatever you call it. Now in 1 hour, this level was broken, and now looks like this level will be tested. It was tested once here, this top bay, and now it can come down further by the look of it. And if this is broken, then we have this level, and then we got a fair value gap here. Market opened with a gap previously, so this is the important area. At the moment, there's no trade at the moment. However, if you see around these areas some kind of evidence confirmation, then we can get a buy trade. But if you want to just take smaller risks, you always can take trade with some evidence and take the trade accordingly. As you can see, market is making lower lows. So it's highly likely can touch the 50 mark, 3350 by the look of it. So which is around here. That's 1 hour, 4 hour. So it looks like can touch the 50 mark and then maybe bounce back from. However, if 50 is broken, then we got next levels around here, and then we got fair the gap around here as well. So let's see how the market moves. So always look for the confirmation, guys. I hope this is helpful, and thank you very much for watching, and bye. If you have any comments, any thoughts, please do comment on the video underneath, and I'll see if I can make more videos according to your requirements. Okay, then bye bye.